I'm a doctor, and here's why patients always feel sidelined when they're receiving care. When I say this, I mean it in terms of why does it always feel like everyone's talking about you and not directly with you? The reason why it's like this is because the communication lines in healthcare were never built to include patients. They come from a time when patients really didn't have a lot of say in what was going to happen to them, and everyone would just listen to what the doctors said. Which is ridiculous when the whole purpose of a health system is to serve the health needs of patients. I mean, a really clear example of this is when I was working clinically, I'd write a letter to the GP rather than the patient when they left hospital. So everyone feels like they're kind of out of the loop with their own health because of the way that all the communication is written. I think times are changing, however, and it is easier than it was before to get all of your medical information in one place. You can now email a hospital trust that you're under the care of, and they'll be obliged to provide you with all of your medical information if you request it. But it doesn't exactly marry up with the NHS app or the GP record, and still you really are kind of out the loop, and who wants to carry around all that paper anyway? I believe we can fix the system, however. I think we can put patients back in the centre of everything. We made an app called Advocate to help do this. Basically an AI note taker you can use during your appointments. It listens to the conversation and writes an easy read summary of everything that's being discussed. And now you have a record of every single appointment that you go to. It's a completely free app, and the link is in our bio.